In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone a voice in ElevenLabs fast and easily. Whether you're looking to preserve a cherished voice or simply want to experiment with technology, knowing how to clone a voice can be both fascinating and useful. So let's dive in and explore the process. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Voices tab in ElevenLabs. This is where the magic happens. Once you're there, you'll see the option to create or clone a voice. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring you one step closer to replicating the voice you have in mind. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection to ensure a smooth and seamless experience. Next up is the crucial step, uploading a clear audio sample of the voice you wish to clone. This sample serves as the foundation for the voice cloning process, so it's important that it's free from background noise and clear in quality. If you're using a recording device, ensure it's positioned correctly and that you've minimized any echo or distortion. If needed, you might want to record a fresh sample ahead of time, using a quiet, controlled environment for the best results. Once you have your audio sample ready and uploaded, the next step is to name the voice. Naming not only helps you identify your cloned voice easily, but also adds a personal touch to your creation. Pick a name that resonates with the voice's intended use, or just something that you will remember easily. After naming, you'll be ready to proceed to the final step, clicking the Clone button. When you hit Clone, ElevenLabs gets to work, using sophisticated algorithms to analyze the nuances of your voice sample and create a clone. This step might take a short while, so feel free to stretch or grab a coffee while the process completes. Once it's done, you will have your very own cloned voice. You can test it out, make adjustments where necessary, and start using it as you see fit. As with any technology, take some time to explore further possibilities. How might you hone in on particular inflections, or even try multiple samples to diversify your cloned voice's tonal range? By experimenting further, you could fine-tune the voice to fit various applications, from VR characters to personal assistants. Congratulations, you've successfully navigated the process of cloning a voice with ElevenLabs. Easy, right? From here, you can do so much with your new tool, lending your voice projects a new dimension of realism and personalization. Don't forget to save your work and enjoy the endless possibilities your new voice clone offers. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy creating.